In this video I'm going to show you how to make an image a circle in Google Slides. As you can see, we have a square image and I've transformed it into a circular image. Now for the first step we will delete this and then we will add an image into our slide. You can add an image by clicking on Insert, go to Image, Upload from Computer. Now what we will do now is we will select an image we want to transform into a circular image. We will move it a little bit to the center, and as you can see we have now the picture. We will make it a little bit smaller, and what you can do now is basically select the image, and after that we will go to Mask, and you can click on the crop item and then mask image. Then you will see shapes and select the circle. Now you have changed it into a circle. There are some other more options to do. You can also select a border. Like if you would like to add a border, then select the border color you would like to add. Let's say red. Click on border white and make it a little bit thicker. And after that you can also select the type of border. Let's say you would like to use a striped one. Then you can use this one. If you would like to use another one, then you can select that one. Or maybe you don't want to use a border at all. That is also possible. Then you go back to border color and just click on transparent. And now you have successfully made an image into a circle image.